In this video, I will show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency from the Revolut X app to an external wallet. First, open the Revolut X app and you'll see your available cryptocurrencies on the home screen. Select the crypto you want to withdraw, for example USD, and tap on Withdraw. Since Revolut X is still new, the process requires the Revolut app as an intermediary. So first, withdraw your crypto from Revolut X into your regular Revolut app by entering the amount, tapping Preview, and then Confirm. Once it's transferred, open the Revolut app and locate the crypto you just moved. Tap on the three dots next to it and select Send. Now you can paste your external wallet address or add a new one. Enter the amount you want to send, tap Preview, and then Confirm. Just make sure you're sending on the correct blockchain. For example, USD on Ethereum should only be sent to an Ethereum wallet. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your crypto from Revolut X to an external wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.